Welcome to a new project in which we are going to create a line through effect using JavaScript, and a bit of CSS also is there. So I have opened a new project with integrated HTML, main.js and style.css. They're all empty right now, and I have opened my Brave browser also in the site. So let me go to the index and yeah. So with tab I can create this new. So let me write line through. Let me link my CSS also. Yeah, it is styles.css, and at the end of the body my main also, main.js. Okay, and this will have a very simple HTML structure. So div dot line, a line, div with the class of line, then h1 with the id of text, and in this there will be we love to code. You can have anything else. So let me save it and let me start it with the live server, the famous plugin for our opening any HTML project. So to open here, let me go here. Okay, so it is looking like this right now. So nothing is there, just an h1 is there. So let me quickly, now I will go to our styles.css. I want to have some styles because it is looking very bland. So let me go to Google Fonts. Okay, and you can see that how we can use Google Fonts in the project also. So what do I need? I need this pop-in seems good, so I'm clicking it here, and just let's try to select this regular. So it will open this, then I have to go to embed, then I have to go to imports. So, and this is the thing which we are going to use. Let me close it, and just we have to import it like this, and it will be there. So after that, some basic styling like box sizing, border box, body, background color. Yeah, background color is FFC 600. Actually, I like this yellow color a lot, so I put this a lot in the background, this yellow color. Font family. So the new Google font which we have just imported, when we are going to use it, we have to use this name, and inside a quote, Poppins, comma, sans serif. If it is not available, then it will go to sans serif, which is by default it is there. Height is 100 vertical height, overflow is hidden. We see the font have changed, and then let us style the h1 also. H1 font size. The font size we are going to increase it, and vertical width. Yeah, we can use vertical width also for. See, it will show like this. Font weight is bold. Margin is 0. Position absolute. We are going to center it top 50%. So this is another way of centering. instead of using the flex and all. This is the old way, but it is required sometime in the project. Top 50%, left 50%. See, it came here. Transform, translate, minus 50%, comma 50%. Now text align is center, z index is 1, and the width is 100%. We love to code. I think I messed up something. Yeah, I messed up this. Yeah, so now it is in the perfect center how I wanted it. So now let's go ahead. For this line through effect, we want a line which should move from between this code, exactly from the middle. So let us do that. Yeah, as I told, there is a bit of CSS involved in this project, but we'll soon go into the JavaScript because it is mainly a JavaScript thing. But yeah, CSS is also there. Background color is FFF. Yeah, it is right. Border radius is not coming. Border radius is coming. It is 50 px, and height is 2 vertical width. Yeah, see, it came, and width is 0. Okay, so we just hidden it, and there is a reason for that. Okay, so after that, position will be absolute. Top is 50%. We will hide it. Left is -1 vertical width. Transform, actually we want it to come from the left side. Transform, translate, y is -50%. And animation, we are going to give animation. The animation name will be grow, 3-second, linear, forwards, and z index will be 2. So let me save it, so you will not see anything. So for that, add keyframe grow 2 with 120 vertical. So this is what will happen. This will go from here. That's why we are bringing it from the left, and then we are growing it. So this is our line. So now we are going to have a cool line effect, because see, you can think the line effect is over, but we will show the line in a way that it will appear as if it is coming from below the alphabet. See, now right now it is been shown as if it is coming over the alphabet. The reason is that line z index is 2 and this h1 z index is 1. So it is because of that. So that font is below and the line is above, but will we will not bring it back, but we will show it on in a way that you will see that some of the alphabet it will be up, some of the alphabet it will be down, it will be behind it. So let us not talk, let me not talk, and let me make it main.js const text equal to document dot get element by id text. So we are just selecting this text, we are just selecting it. Then let me make it a bit big. Then const text array equal to just an text array text dot inner text dot split. So what this will do, console dot, let me console dot log and show you what this will do. Text because what we are doing, we are getting that inner text which is we love to code, then we are splitting it, so it will give us an array. Cannot read property split of undefined text. Why it is showing us get animation? I don't know why it changes. Get, now it is okay. Yeah, now it is okay. Yeah, so as I was telling you, when we are using this split, so what we are getting an array of everything which is split. So this is just a split method which is available with array. Okay, so let me close it, I don't want it. And then after that, const new, actually we are creating a new element. So document dot create element h1. We are creating this element h1. So by create element, you can create any new element, new el dot inner html. And now with that inner html, inside that inner html means inside that h1, what we are going to put. See here we have using inner text, inner html means we can give some html also. So here we are going to, what we are going to give, we are going to give this text array, which we have just seen what it is. The text array, it is an array of this, all of these things we love to code, separated by comma. So map, we are going to map through it, letter. Then what we are going to show, see by map we can change that content. So span letter, we are showing that letter inside it, yeah. And then span will be closed. Okay, so again, if you want to see what is inside this new one, I will show you. Let me save it. So let me see if everything is right. Yeah, so see this one is coming from 4, which is array, as I have told, like this. And this one, see h1 is there, which we have just created an element h1, and then after span w is there, e is there, and then after that comma is there. So this is like this. Okay, so now let me remove both of them. Document dot body dot, in body we're appending this our newly created element el. So let me do that and see, we love to code will come like this. That with, because of the span and all, it will come like this. But the first thing is that we don't want it to come like this. So what we are going to do here, did I did something wrong here? No. Yeah. Okay, so after this I have to join it. So what will that join do? Join will, okay, I should have shown you this thing. So let me show again. Console.log new. Yeah, we are joining it. See, you might think where it has gone. Actually it is just above it. Now we have actually two h1. One is one which we have created here, another which we have created programmatically. That we have done for a reason. I will show you that also first. See, this span is already there, we love to code, and this is another span which is also there, another h1 which is also there, which is also we love to code. Exactly, it is above it. And if I do this new year, see, it will now come like this. So we are joining it, joining an array. So again a JavaScript thing. So let me remove it and let me save it. So we have imposed a same thing over the letters. So we have done this for a reason. We will soon get to know the reason. New year dot class list, or we are just adding a class to this overlay. This overlay anything. This is just a class name, nothing else. So what is this overlay? We go to styles. Overlay is z or z index 2. So see, now it is showing as if it is coming from behind it. So now you might have got what it just happened. So what is happening, there are two set of alphabets and there is a line. So first the first set of alphabet is there, then the line is there, then after that the next set of alphabet is there, which is just over it. So sort of it is sandwiched, that line is sandwiched between the two sets. So it is showing as if it is coming from behind it, but it is sort of sandwich. So and with that sandwich we will use a thing, because as I have told, see, now it is showing as if it is coming from behind it, so it is sandwich. So I can show it above it also. I'll tell you how we are going to do that. So this styles span is there, the letter is there, but the span, you're going to add one thing, style equal to, there will be a style for this. So in JavaScript we can do like this, create a CSS style like this. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to call a function here, and that function will be known as random visibility. Just we are calling this function random visibility, and this function will be very easy. Function random visibility return math, not small but capital math dot random is less than 0.5. Actually, when you do math or random, it returns a number between 0 and 1. So if it is less than 0.5 means 50% chances are there that it will be less than 0.5. Then visibility hidden or visibility visible. So these two things we are having. So what will happen, this we are adding to the second one. As I have told you, second one is above everything, and this line is under it. So we are, some of the time we are making the visibility equal to hidden, means it will be not there, it will be gone. So it will come sort of, it is above it. If everything is right, we'll get it. See, now our project is complete. Now see what is happening. We, it is going above, means the visibility is hidden here, and then here it is going down, means visibility is visible, then here again it is hidden. So you can, we'll check that also, that I am telling the right thing or not, or I am faking it. So this overlay is there, class overlay h1, which we have just added, and see, the visibility is hidden. Again this, the visibility is hidden, so that is gone, the programmatically created thing is gone. So what is happening, so it is gone, so it is appearing, as I have told you, it was actually line was at sandwich between that. So it is appearing above it. See, in this it is visible. Again, see, yeah, it is taking for that also. In this it is visible, so it is visible, so it is coming again as if it is down, hidden, visible. So you might have got it, but I am telling. So this completes our project. Hope you like this nice animation which we have done with the help of CSS and JavaScript. I will see you soon.